Welcome to Google I/O.
The future is here and it's intelligent. The Google I/O 2024 just wrapped and the sneak peek of future of Androids. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Himanshu here. You are watching GetAssist, and in this video, buckle up cause in the next few minutes we are diving into the deepest and the Google's biggest developer event of the year. So let's get started. Google I/O is Google's annual developer conference hosted by Google, where the tech giant unveils its latest innovations, updates, and future plans. It serves as the platform for developers, engineers, and enthusiasts to come together and explore the cutting-edge technologies shaping the future. Held on Tuesday, May 14, 2024 at the Shoreline Amphitheater in Mountain View, California. Google I/O showcases new products, features, and advancement across various Google platforms including Android, Chrome, Google Cloud, AI, and more. With each edition of Google I/O continues to push the boundaries of innovations and foster collaboration with the tech community. The very first thing we are going to talk about is the newly advancement and update in its latest AI, Google Gemini. Gemini is taking center stage. Imagine searching the web with just video or creating stunning cinematic videos with simple voice prompts. That's the power of Gemini. We'll see Gemini integrated in Chrome, boosting searching capabilities and potentially unlocking new features. They also introduced Project Astra. This project focused on creating a multimodal AI assistant. It's an ambitious project aiming to develop an AI that can see the world through a smartphone camera, understand its surroundings, and answer questions in real time based on combinations of web information and what it sees in the real world. Oh, I was literally getting chills like I am using Jarvis or Friday and I am Iron Man. Let's move on to the second biggest update of Google I/O, which was introduction of Google Veo. Veo video creation model. This new AI creates videos based on user prompts, potentially enhancing features like aerial shots. Veo can generate 1080p resolution videos, some exceeding a minute in length. This is a significant leap compared to the previous video generator models. You can specify things like aerial shots, shallow focus, or time-lapse in it to achieve specific cinematic styles. Next, they have introduced their 6th generation of TPUs, which is called Trillium. It is the most powerful and energy-efficient tensor processing unit TPU to the date. Trillium boasts a 4.7x increase in peak compute performance per chip compared to its predecessor, the TPU V5e. The core computation unit of TPUs is enlarged, allowing for faster processing of matrix multiplications, which are essential for AI trainings. They have announced that Trillium will be available for the cloud consumers in the late 2024. Unlikely, there were no specific and officially talks about the Android 15, which we all were waiting for, but there were some unofficially quotations and some insights and some bites about it at the Google I/O 2024. This is because the event typically focused on broad announcement and upcoming features. However, there were mentions of Android 15 during the keynote that Gemini would be a core component of Android 15. This signifies a significant shift from previous versions of Google Assistants to previous version Google Assistant, which was the earlier primary AI assistance of Google's Android. With Gemini at the core, Android 15 could offer a more intelligent and contextual user experience. Imagine features like proactive assistance, smarter search, and new developer tools. Next comes Circle Search tool, or I say circle, scribble, highlight, or tap to search. It was dedicatedly made for the students as it was announced. The new feature introduced by Google for Android devices aims to simplify searches for information directly on your screen without need to switch apps. It allows you to search for text, images, or videos on your screen by simply circling it, highlighting it, scribbling on it, and just by tapping on it. This eliminates the need of manually copy and paste the text or navigate to another app like Google Chrome to find the information. The latest AI, Gemini Nano, will be integrated into Chrome for desktops, potentially leading to smarter search and new features. Specifically designed for Android devices, introduces multimodality, meaning It can process informations beyond just text, including sites, spoken languages, or commands, or I'll say conversations, which will definitely give you a more personalized user interface and expand the functionality and improve the accessibility. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with our phones and access information using natural and initiative approach. And since this event is more AI dedicated, a cool thing happened during the event.
How many times we have mentioned AI today? We went ahead and counted so that you don't have to. That might be a record in how many times someone has said AI.
The future really looks intelligent, and it will be so exciting to see how these advancements interact and shape with the new technology. And with this, we are wrapping this video about what happened in the Google I/O 2024 event. And if you like this video, you find it useful and informative, just give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And you can go for this video, and you'll definitely gonna like them. And I'll meet you super soon in the next video. Till then, keep watching GetAssist.